welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I'm a cat. Meow. It's obviously a Halloween look, so I just thought I'd have some fun with this makeup because it's my favorite animal, so who doesn't want to be a cat? Right? Am I right? I hope I get to have time to do another Halloween look. If you guys want to see something, just comment down below what you want to see, and if you want to see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned.
I'm starting off by concealing the high points of my face to give it a little bit of a highlight. Now I'm going in with a silver cream eyeshadow and I'm going to pack that all over the lid. Now I'm topping that off with some silver glitter. Using some black liquid eyeliner, I'm going to give myself a very dramatic winged liner. I'm going to taper that into a very dramatic point into the inner corner as well. And using a very thin line, go ahead and take that underneath the eye. Now carefully carve out your crease and connect it to the wing. Now I'm going back in with that silver and I'm filling in any empty areas. Using a light eye pencil, line your waterline. And for an even more dramatic look, add some lashes. For this look, I'm going to get really dramatic with the contour, contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline, and the sides of my nose. And I'm going to be equally dramatic with my highlighter. With that same liquid liner, draw in those little freckles and a black nose. Once that's finished, you can go ahead and add a few whiskers. Use your concealer to cancel out your lips and then fill in just the top lip using a black eyeliner, and then your look is finished.